Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamer's Crafty Corner. And I went out on a little bitty scavenger. Well, it was kind of a Black Friday thing. So I went out to get some stuff on Black Friday, which I do every year. And I have to because I have a lot of grandkids and they're expensive. So I went out on Black Friday and I picked up some stuff for them. Um, and then I come home and I went to sleep and then I got up and then I went to work because I got a job now. Yep, I got a job. Because I didn't have enough stuff to do during the day. So I got a job, so I had something to do. You know, besides going on Scaventure, making videos, traveling around, and being weird. So I got a job. And I don't know how long I'll keep it, because I'm retired. So I don't know. But I went on a little mini Scaventure, and then I went to Scaventure. And I said, well, it's Black Friday. Let's go see what they got in my favorite places. So I went to Tuesday morning, and to be honest with you, there was not a lot there. There was nothing, actually. Nothing impressive, like that said, oh, look, special stuff we got in for Christmas. Nope, none of that. None. I did get this, though. This is the cider wood stack from DCWV, and I like this stack, okay? And I'm going to show you guys, look. It's double-sided, and it's only 2 pages of each one, so. But look, right? It's kind of cool, right? The acorns are cute. I don't know what those are. But those are little apples. And this wood grain kind of has a texture to it. It's kind of weird. It's like really strange. And then they had this one. I like this one too. And then they had these. I like the mugs. The mugs are cute. They did teas and hot cocos and stuff. And spice ciders. And that's pretty. And then they had this one. There's just some leaves. And that's like a cable knit sweater. And then they had this one, which is like these black and gray. It's like a smoke color. And then this one. And this one says apple cider, crisps, and I don't know. Thanks, autumn leaves, apple cider. Yeah. Okay, so I grabbed that. So then I went on Scaventure. So the first places I went was the Dollar Tree, because I go there to buy like stocking stuffers and like little tiny things that I can put in my saran wrap ball, and I'll explain that later. But they had in some of those metallic stickers I like. See, like this one. Yeah, this is the one with the dragonflies on it and everything. I like that one. And then there was this one. This one had an owl and a feather and a wing and a dream catcher. It said wish on it. So I got that one, and it had like a chain. And this was, I don't know what there's a chain for, but they had a chain and everything, and I thought that was kind of cool, so I got it. And then they had these, and these was like really steampunk, see? You got keys and locks and clocks and stuff and a zipper. And I thought this was really kind of cool, for like journals and stuff. So I grabbed that one too. See, I'll show you. Look. See? Okay. So I grabbed those. They had 2, and I got them both. So I said, do you think they have like a Black Friday deal at, the Savers? And they did. They had a Black Friday deal. It wasn't a great Black Friday deal, but they had one. So, what did we get? Well, the first thing we got was this here, and I'm probably going to give this one to Miss Amy because, she's dyeing paper again. And I found this one, and this one's like stuff that she likes. This is Southworth resume paper, okay? And it is white paper, 24 pound. This is heavy paper, okay? It's got a beautiful watermark on it. It's a brand new box, okay? But it's 100% cotton. It's cotton paper, and she likes this kind of stuff, so I'll give it to Miss Amy. Let's see, what else did I get? I have to get the stuff because it's down underneath the table here. All right, so the next thing I found was this. And this is just like a little book. See? It's just a little book. It's just a little lined paper book. But I thought the paper was really pretty, and I liked it. And I like the spiral bound and everything, so I got that. I thought, maybe for notes or something, this would be cool. Who knows? I might keep it. I might not. I might use the paper. Who knows? You never know with me. The band is a little worn out, but I can fix that. I know how. So I'll fix that. Then I got some bags. I did. I found some bags. So this was the first bag. Now, they did have a Black Friday sale, but it was on clothes. Who wants to buy clothes? So, let's see what the first thing is. Scrapbook die. 2 packs of nutmeg. Definitely giving those to Miss Amy. Then we got this, cards and envelopes. 6 envelopes and 6 cards with upright slot. I don't know. Let's find out. So take these out. Take a look. Oh, look at that. That's kind of neat. Okay. I'm very confuzzled. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's very interesting. I like those. Those are different. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's only 1 missing. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Those are different. Put those in the box. There we go. And those are, yeah, pretty interesting. All right, let's see what this one is. This one is a latch card. Let's see what that is. These are in Monarch. Oh, it's the color. It says it's Monarch. Okay, those are neat. So you write on the card, you put it in here, and then you fold this over, and you put it through the slide, like that, and then it fits in this envelope. Okay, that's different. I like that. That's different. Put those away. See, I always find the best stuff when I go Scaventure. Those are different. I like those. Okay, and then I had 2 of these, and these are called mini books, and they're both in cranberry. 4x4-inch cover in inner pages. 3-foot ribbon. Oh, so it's like for making like little, little picture books. Those are cute. I like them. Those are cute. I like those. Okay. Then I found this one. Ooh. Eh. They put a lot of staples in this one. We're going to have to cut this one. I can't even get the staples off. Okay. Now, this one was really fat. I called it fat. It was loaded with stuff. Whew. All right. Let's see what we got. What did we get? Well, we got some cardstock. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. I like that. That's nifty. A couple sheets of this. Some of this. Some of this. And that's parchment. And that's, whoa. That gave me a headache. And then we got some graph paper and some pink polka dots and some pink and white chevrons, and those are all from Recollections. And then we got this one. That's a 7 Gypsies. I knew that. Y'all know I like my 7 Gypsies. These are American Craft. Oh, look at that. That's cool. This one is Jack and Abby Open House from Elsie. And it's like an embossed paper with like houses on it. It's really pretty. And then there's this one, which is Mellow. There's another Elsie one. There's another embossed one. Look, it's got cupcakes. Can you guys see the cupcakes? Yeah, you can. Okay. Then we got some snowflakes. These are multicolored snowflakes. And this stuff. Sherry art. Okay. Ooh. What is this? This is a poster pack for Dr. Seuss. I love Dr. Seuss. Let's see what's in there. I do. I have it on my wall over there. It says, "Today you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you." Think and wonder. Wonder and think. The thinks you can think. I've got to think up bigger things. I'll bet I can, you know. I'll speed my thinker upper as fast as it will go. Read every day, and you will succeed. Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. Dr. Seuss. So open your mouth, lad, for every voice counts. I love him. He is so awesome. And I love all the inspirational stuff that he puts out for kids, And he was a great person for that. What else did we find? Okay, so we got some of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these dry erase pockets. I like these. I put ideas in these and then I hang them. And then I can use them to put, I'll like put like a whole set of stuff in one that I'm going to use, for a scrapbook or something, or for like, like my decorations or something for one of my books. I'll put them in here and then I can hang them up by the thing. And I got a couple of these I use actually. Those are cool. Okay, what else did we get? Oh, we got some K & Company. What is this one? This is K & Company. What's it called? I don't think there's a name on this one. It just says word embossed stickers. And they are embossed. I can feel them. Oh, that's cute. A little whimsy never hurt anyone. That's cute. I like that. And then we got these from Glitz Cardstock stickers. Face, your mind, because of you, our life as we know it. Well, these are cute. Okay, I like those. And then we got this sheet here. This is from Bo Bunny. And they're like tag stickers. That's cute. And then we got Piggy Tails from piggytails.com. These are epoxy shapes. These are kind of neat. What's this? Ooh. Okay, this is going nowhere, right? That is a brand new 7 Gypsies pad. Oh my goodness. Yep, definitely going to be keeping that one. I just like 7 Gypsies. I like the feel of their paper. I like the way that it responds. I just love their stuff. Okay, and then we got this thing. What is this thing? What is this thing? Oh. Oh, it's like a pull-apart card thing. Okay, that's really cool. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. What is this? Wisdom Sticker Steel. Typewriter type. These are from allmymemories.com. Embossed and debossed, giving you a 3-dimensional effect, making them the perfect accent for every product. Stickers contained coordinate with All My Memories time savers. That's cute. All right, what's this? Colorbach frame punch-outs. Oh, they're like little cardboard frames. 8 sheets. There's 48 frames in there. Well, that's cool. The Perfect Scrapbook album accessories. Fantastic fun album bubbles. And then we got this one. Karen Foster license plate, backyard picnic, loves to barbecue, grilling it. Okay. And then we got these. Oh, these are like fabric. Yeah, these are fabric. And that's brand new. That's cool. says 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 36. They're all there. All right, then what's this? This is, oh, some of those little slide things that you can put on the paper and slide them back and forth. And look, there's some more of them, but they're letters. That's cool. And then we got this. Phrase Cafe, All-American Girl. It says All-American Girl, Tea Party, Miss, Sweetheart, Picky, Daddy's Girl, Angel, Boy Crazy, My Girl, Thank Heaven for Little Girls, and Pretty in Pink. These are from Sticko from EK Success. That's cool. So I got all of those. And then, what else did I get? Oh, I got another bag. I got a bag. Okay, ready? Want to see what was in the bag? So, I got this gold color. It's like a yellow. And I got this blue, which is variegated. And I got this red. And the red has sparkles in it. It's got sparklies. And I got this, like, what color is that? It didn't even have a color on it. It's just, I don't know, kind of like a smoky gray, I guess. It's like black, but it's got silver in it. That's kind of cool. And then I got, ooh, look at that. I got different shades of purple. This is like really bright purple. And this is like really dark purple. And this is like mixes of purple. And there's another one of those smoky gray ones. And then this is like a really bright, look at how bright that blue is. Can you guys even see how bright that is? And then I got this teal, not a lot of that, but there's some of that. Ooh, and then there's some black with sparklies. See that? Black and sparklies. Can you guys see the sparklies? Yes, you can see the sparklies. And then there's plain black. And then there's white. And a little bit of brown. And some purple. And some tan. And some darker tan. And this is like red, but it's like eyelash trim and bulky yarn. It's kind of different. Look, I made a nest. Okay. And then I got this white, which is not really white. It's a little off-white. It's like slightly off-white. So I got that. There's stuff all over the place here. You guys thought I was going to get out the pooper. And then, while I was at Tuesday morning, I grabbed a few things. One, I grabbed the stuff for my giveaway on Saturday from my countdown to the Black Friday sale. I got some stuff, some special stuff just for that. And so, do me a favor. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the red button and subscribe. And then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then we can be friends. And so on and so on and so on. And we can build our community. And we can build it stronger. Until I see you guys again. I love you. I appreciate you. And I do this for you. Bye-bye.